The horizontal mating and extraction live tester is a specialized device for reliability testing of electronic connectors, wire harnesses, plugs, and sockets. By simulating high-frequency mating and extraction actions, it evaluates the mechanical life, contact stability, and durability of products over long-term use. Its horizontal structure design is particularly suitable for testing large-size, heavy, or specially structured samples, ensuring stable testing and accurate data. Parameters such as mating force, speed, number of cycles, and pulse time can be set to simulate real-world usage scenarios. The modular fixture design allows for quick replacement to adapt to different samples, improving testing efficiency